Attention Tomarket community. The countdown is on. We're in the final 24 hours before the massive $TOMA allocation, and this is the moment you've been grinding for. From leveling up to stacking tokens and giving it your all, everything you've worked for is about to pay off in a big way. With 80% of the entire $TOMA supply allocated to you, our incredible community, this event is set to be a game changer. So gear up, make those last moves count, and prepare to claim your well-deserved share. Tomarket's biggest event is here, and you won't want to miss it. Here's the big news. In an unprecedented move, the Tomarket team has decided to allocate a massive 80% of the entire $TOMA token supply directly to you, the dedicated players and community members who have been the backbone of this project from day one. This isn't just a reward, it's a powerful statement of trust and appreciation. By choosing to put the majority of $TOMA in the hands of the community, the team is showing just how deeply they value every bit of your effort, feedback, and loyalty. Your support has driven Tomarket forward, and now, as we approach this monumental moment, it's clear, this project wouldn't exist without you. Get ready to reap the rewards of your commitment. Let's break down everything you need to know so you're fully prepared for the next steps. First things first, mark your calendar, set a reminder, and make sure this date and time are locked into your schedule. The official countdown ends at 11:59 p.m. on October 31st sharp. This isn't just any deadline, it's the critical point when we'll capture a final snapshot of every player's progress, level, and achievements. Everything you've worked for up to this exact second will count toward your $TOMA allocation, so every last point, level, and rank matters. Whether you're inches away from a new level or pushing for a top-tier rank, this is your final chance to secure the highest allocation possible. Every bit of activity and every effort up to the stroke of midnight will have a direct impact on the share of $TOMA you'll receive. Once the clock hits 11:59 p.m., the game enters maintenance mode, meaning all in-game activities will freeze while we calculate and confirm each allocation. This countdown marks the culmination of your hard work, so stay focused, stay active, and push yourself to make every moment count until the very last second. It's your time to shine and maximize your rewards, don't miss it. Once the countdown wraps up, Tomarket will enter a 24-hour maintenance period to ensure everything is handled with precision and fairness. So, what does this mean? For a full day following the countdown's end, the Tomarket team will take a thorough snapshot of everyone's in-game levels, achievements, and stats to lock in the data needed for $TOMA allocations. This process is crucial. It's how we make sure that all your hard-earned points and progress are captured accurately. But that's not all. During this maintenance period, the team will also perform a deep clean of the system, reviewing player accounts to remove any bots, fake users, or other unwanted accounts. Why? Because we want every $TOMA token to go to real, dedicated players like you who have contributed to this community and made the game what it is. This step is key to ensuring that only genuine, active players receive their rightful rewards, free from interference by fake accounts or bad actors. So, while it may be quiet in-game for these 24 hours, know that this maintenance period is essential to making sure the $TOMA allocation process is fair, accurate, and secure. Sit tight, and look forward to seeing your rewards reflect all that you've put into the game. During this maintenance period, most game features will be offline, so be prepared for a temporary pause in all $TOMA activity. Here's a key detail to keep in mind. Once the 24-hour maintenance period begins, all in-game actions that could affect your progress will be temporarily disabled. This means that level ups, payment functions, ton stars, tomato currency activity, and referrals will all be paused. Why? This freeze-on functionality is essential to capturing a consistent, accurate snapshot of everyone's final progress and contributions. During this time, your stats will be locked, allowing the team to finalize the $TOMA allocations based solely on the efforts you've made up until the maintenance start. No further upgrades or transactions will be counted toward your allocation during this period. This approach ensures fairness by creating a stable game state that's the same for all players. So, once the clock hits maintenance, sit back and rest assured knowing that all your hard work is safely recorded. Enjoy the anticipation while the team prepares your well-deserved rewards. At last, the moment you've been working toward is nearly here. Starting at midnight on November 2nd, GMT+8, you'll finally be able to view your $TOMA balance and see the rewards for all your hard work and dedication. Mark this date in bold on your calendar, because it's the big reveal, the day when your achievements, level ups, and contributions will translate into your personal allocation of $TOMA tokens. Why this date? The 24-hour maintenance gives the Tomarket team the time they need to finalize every single detail. By the time November 2nd rolls around, your $TOMA balance will reflect a fair and accurate calculation, ensuring that everyone's efforts are rewarded based on their final standing when the countdown ended. So set your alarm, prepare for the midnight reveal, and get ready to celebrate your $TOMA balance going live. This moment marks the culmination of everything you've put into the game, the late nights, the level ups, and every token you've stacked. Make sure you're ready to check in at 0000 GMT+8 on November 2nd and witness the fruits of your labor. It's the start of a new chapter for you and for Tomarket. And here's an exciting twist for our top players. If you've achieved gold level status and proudly hold a medal, get ready for a potential extra surprise coming your way. This is not just about receiving your $TOMA allocation, it's about rewarding the commitment and dedication you've shown throughout your journey in Tomarket. So, what does this mean for you? If you're on the brink of reaching gold level or just a step away from claiming that medal, now is the perfect time to put in that extra effort. Every moment counts, and you have a unique opportunity to elevate your standing right before the snapshot is taken. The team is committed to recognizing and rewarding those who have truly excelled, and this bonus is a way to celebrate your accomplishments. Keep pushing, stay engaged, and make those final moves count. Whether it's leveling up, engaging in community events, or completing challenges, every action could bring you closer to unlocking this exciting opportunity. So, keep your eyes on the prize and remember, the extra surprise is waiting for those who have gone above and beyond. Don't miss your chance to be among the elite in our community, and let's make this final stretch count. So, there you have it, everything you need to know to fully seize this incredible $TOMA allocation opportunity. Remember, every level you achieve, every token you stack, and every moment you engage counts as we approach this monumental event. Make sure you're maximizing your efforts and gearing up for the big reveal on November 2nd. This isn't just the end of a countdown, it's the beginning of an exciting new chapter for Tomarket, and we're absolutely thrilled to have you on this journey with us. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us grow and bring more exciting content your way. If you're as excited about the $TOMA allocation as we are, drop a comment below and let us know how you're preparing. We love hearing from you and want to build this community together. And don't keep the excitement to yourself. Share this video with your fellow farmers and friends in the Tomarket community. Let's spread the word and ensure everyone is ready to make the most of this launch. Together, we can make this the biggest and most successful event yet. Thanks for watching, and see you in the game.